Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. This time of year, there's a plentiful amount of fresh produce, especially tomatoes. They're perfect for stocking a few jars of marinara sauce, making your own sun-dried tomatoes or salsa, a refreshing guest special, and more, including these Caprese Skewers. Quick and easy to make, this is a delicious appetizer to serve. With a beautiful balsamic glaze, this is another tasty way to enjoy tomatoes. So let's get cooking. We're making 4 skewers, so here are 4 red tomatoes, 4 orange, and 4 yellow. Mixing the colors makes for a nicer presentation. To this, we'll add mini bocconcini, some extra virgin olive oil, then about 1 teaspoon of fresh chopped basil, which is about 3 large leaves, my homemade Italian seasoning, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, a little bit of ground sea salt, and the same with freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients until nicely coated. Next, we'll skewer our tomatoes and cheese. I find these little guys at the dollar store, but I'm sure you can find them at your supermarket. So we'll start with a red tomato, but go with whichever color you want. And then a mini cheese ball, followed by another color of tomato. I'm going with yellow this time. Bocconcini cheese again, and we'll end with our third color, which in my case is the orange tomato. Et voila! Here's our skewer, and we'll repeat the same order with the other ones. Last weekend, I posted my balsamic glaze recipe, and in this case, we'll be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper, although hot paprika is another option. We'll whisk until nicely blended and drizzle the glaze over the skewers. To make this step easier, I like to transfer the balsamic glaze into a small resealable plastic bag. Cut a small corner off before drizzling over. If I have some left over, I fold the bag and transfer to the fridge. When we're done, we'll serve the skewers immediately. And my friends, these are our Caprese Skewers. Fresh and so tasty, this is an amazing Italian appetizer to enjoy before the end of the summer. Incredibly easy to make, these are perfect to serve at your backyard party or next gathering. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!